Want to delete specific pages from a PDF without installing any software or signing up? Just go to Google and search InstantConvert.online, or check the link in description and pinned comment. Use this free online tool, InstantConvert, delete PDF pages. Drag and drop your PDF, or click to browse. All pages appear as thumbnails instantly. Your file never gets uploaded, it stays in your browser. To remove a page, hover and click the trash icon. Need multiple pages? Use target page range, type like 1-3, 5 and hit select. Click Compile. In seconds, your new PDF downloads, no watermark, no quality loss, 100% private. That's it. Simple, fast, completely free. Link in description.